In this video, we're going to be completing a pneumatic circuit and an electrical circuit. First, you're going to expand your pneumatics, expand supply elements, create a new schematic, drag and drop your compressed air supply. You're going to drag and drop an air unit, service unit. You're going to go to valves, shut-off valves. You're going to drag a one-way flow control valve. You're going to go to valves, frequently used, solenoid operated, and grab your five two-way solenoid valve. And then go up to actuators, grab your double acting cylinder. And let's organize them, including flipping them. First, our compressed air is going to go through our filter unit, and then through our flow control valve, from our flow control valve to our 5 two-way, and then our double acting cylinder. Under actuators, you're going to grab and drop the distance rule. When you go near the front of this double acting cylinder and you release it, it'll automatically connect itself to the double acting cylinder. Double click on your distance rule, name it 1 tac LS 100, begin, 100, end. Press OK. This is your complete pneumatic circuit. Now we go to electrical controls. You're going to go under power supply. You're going to add a 24 volts as well as a 0 volts. You're going to go to switches, manually operated, push button make. This is going to be your start button. Push button break. This is going to be your stop button. You're going to go to general switches, make switch. These are going to be part of your relay. You're going to go to relays, grab one of them, and then one valve solenoid. Let's put them in order and connect them up. First, we're going to 24 to the front side of the stop button. From the back side of the stop button or the brake button, you're going to go to the start button, which is going to be your make push button. From there, we're going to go to our general switches, a brake switch. I'm going to add that to the other side of our start button. From there, we go to our relay, and from our relay, we go to 0 volts. One of these make switches is going to be used as a seal in for the start button. So go ahead and add it on both sides of the push button make. You should have a junction on each side of it. And then these last two are in their own rung, connected. You can add it to the elbow by just going to the corner. And this is the electrical circuit. Next, we need to name it. So go ahead and go to that first push button break. We're going to name it stop. Press OK. Push button make. Start. Switch. Brake. Going to name it the same as our limit switch, 1 LS. You'll notice the switch now looks like your conventional limit switch in an electrical circuit. We're going to name our relay 1 CR. And these two make switches are also going to be 1 CR. You can notice that they're normally open. And lastly, our solenoid, I'm going to name it SOL TAC A. Go ahead and move it so you can read. Left mouse button, drag. So you can read them. So the last thing we have to do is to name our solenoid on our valve. At the end of your valve, go ahead and you'll see the green with the target. Double click. And you're going to name it the same as what you have on your electrical circuit. So now the two should be linked together. Go back to our previous sections where it teaches you how to simulate. Go to the top, press the play button. Remember, you're going to have the light and the dark. The dark pneumatic lines are under pressure. The light pneumatic lines are without pressure, and your light red is your electrical line current flowing. So once I press my start button, remember your hand goes to a pointer. You can interact with it. Press your start button. It'll go all the way out to the limit switch. Once the limit switch is activated, it'll come back. You can see it right here in your electrical circuit, how that limit switch opens and the double acting cylinder returns to 0. Go ahead and press stop.